What you guys, got another video here for you. In this one we're going to be creating a 3D image in PowerPoint. It's just a very quick video to show you how you can create 3D images in PowerPoint. It's a very powerful piece of software. This is Office 2013. Now we're going to open up a blank presentation here and delete all this in the middle. We don't need this, so highlight it and then hit the delete key. Now we're going to change the background by hitting design and then background. We can add a little gradient color here, and what we want to do is choose a color. So I'm going to choose green here, but you can use whatever color you like. Now we've got our color. We're going to need to put in our image. Now some images are more difficult to remove the background on than others. You can see I'm using a rhino here, so I'm just going to drag this into our project. So just going to size this down. Now once we got this to a reasonable size, just going to copy this to make sure we've got another copy of it. So I'm going to right click, copy, and then right click and paste. And I'm just going to move this to the side, and you'll know why a little bit later on in the video. Now we can put a white border around our picture so it looks like a picture frame. Now what we're going to do is go up to where it says crop to shape. So hit the crop and then you'll see crop to shape, and you can choose whatever shape you want to crop that to. Now we're going to use trapezoid here. Just click on this. Now each shape will vary for what you're trying to do. You can see this one here, or you can use another version of what you want to do depending on what you're trying to achieve. But we'll go with a different selection, and we'll go with trapezoid. So now we're going to hit crop to fit. Now crop to fit is going to allow us to shrink the image down and cut off just the front part, so we can add in the front part with the other image. So we're going to hit crop to fit and then size this down just like so, just to where the front shoulders are. And then when we let go, you'll see there's a white border around the outside here. Now hit crop, and now you can see it's cropped that part of the image. Now this is where the second image comes in. So what we're going to do is grab our second image and drag it across. And what we need to do here is we need to remove the background. So we're going to hit remove background. Now this is going to work differently for different images. So you need to select the front part of the animal, what we removed on the other image. So we can move these sliders across. We don't need the back end of the animal, we just need the front. And that's the part we want to keep. So we're just going to size this up like so. Now the purple part is what's going to be removed. Now you can use the markers up the top, mark to keep and mark to remove, and just work your way around until you get a nice clean image. Now again, I can't stress this enough, some images are going to be much more difficult to remove if they're very busy, i.e. lots of bits and pieces in the background. It may take you a bit more time to remove. So we're just going to go all the way round. As you can see, I've gone round a little bit to try and remove as much as I can. Now I've got a guide there to what I want to keep, and now the rest is just to remove. So I can just click on the outer parts to remove what I need to remove here. So just click on these areas, and you can see now it's done that. There's quite a lot of dots there. Some are going to be much more quicker and easier to do that. Now we can confirm our changes. Now we can move this around. You can take a bit more time to do yours, but as you can see now, when I line this up and offer this up to our image, you can see we have a 3D look. It looks pretty awesome, I think. And if you need to make further changes to your image, you can always hit remove background again and make your changes. So I'm going to wrap this one up. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Sorry for the lack of videos all week, guys. I've been in hospital. I've only just got out and I've been feeling rough all week. but hopefully I can resume making videos for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then hit the like button, also the subscribe button if you want to keep up to date when uploading videos. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.